mi jedno słowo, a ja nocą. Daj mi jedno słowo, a ja już będę obok. Na tym balu tańczy król ze swą królową.
We stand to fight us from the skies. Some round of breaks of blue. Feeling that it's gone can change our minds if we get the one. So guide the tide, the divine.
Every morning we rest in New York City, in a dance hall and a dance hall on the dance floor. We do a rum dance man, ragaman, yes, it's a ragaman jump. People don't get champagne and pump full of passion. Pump it up, start to swing your body while you listen to the music, jump up and party.
She's crazy like a fool. What about Daddy Cool?
Hear the clock ticking on the wall. I'm so lonely tonight.
There's no parking in the car park. I have to move there. Can I move there?
Yeah.
Don't make pictures for me, for God's sake.
But I'm trying to capture ghosts. Huh?
Right, let's switch it on, Lucas.
You will arrive at your destination on the left.
Oh, that's a nice bridge. Oh, there are lots of bridges. Look at that. Wow. In your phone. What do you want? Do you want Fanta? Next one. Yes. Pink? Yes. Okay, Fanta. Just a second. We need to close the path and find Spa. Take your food. Take your food. Take your food. Did you buy? No. Thank you. Bye bye. I think we are too close and no one is going. Idiots. That's the problemic.
Airplane!
Yeah, that's the show. See what he's doing? Turning around.
Yeah, I think we're too late, so we have to go home.
Because look, you see what traffic it is.
Yeah, too much traffic.
And no spaces to park.
Huh?
No spaces to park.
In me?
So we need to go to McDonald's, make wee-wee and go home.
Yes, let's go.
somewhere on the hill and we can still see the planes maybe.
Yeah, we should go.
After 3/4 of a mile, leave the roundabout at the second exit and continue to follow the A77 towards Glasgow.
Yeah. Focus high. Oh, there's a lot of hay bales. Going back because we couldn't even make it.
The second exit.
I see a plane.
But you know, maybe something was going to happen, something bad, and God made mommy to forget the card to avoid a danger. You know what I mean?
What?
Yeah. Everything happens for a reason. But guess what? We can go to
After
McDonald's, or
3/4
you
of a
can
mile,
go to
leave the
Costa. Where you want to
roundabout at the
go?
third exit and continue
What do you mean,
to follow the
Costa?
A77
Costa
towards
Coffee
Glasgow.
or Starbucks.
Oh, how about Starbucks? I want to try some coffee.
You want some coffee?
Oh, I see an airplane taking off.
Should have parked somewhere.
I don't know what plane is that, but I am thinking that it might be a Cessna.
Cessna?
Yeah. What plane is that?
Oh wow, there is a plane, Blush. Can you see it?
Yeah, I think that's the same plane.
That might be the airshow plane.
Let me replay the video so then I might know what plane is that. So, in the forest.
Oh, cemetery. Wow, look at that.
A cemetery.
Wow. In the middle of the forest. That's cool.
Yeah, there's a blue car approaching. And we're going downhill.
We're going downhill. And they're building another house here. A nice one. A nice
Turn right
European
after
style.
300 yards.
Yeah,
No,
to
I'm
make
not turning right because we are going to see the
forest popular. Where's the plane?
Ah!
It was in the photo.
Oh,
Yay.
but it's behind the other.
Yay, there's McDonald's. I want to pee, so I can pee in McDonald's. Wow, we're arriving.
Go there.
Oh yeah,
To you. It pays to be
there's a
connected.
girl.
Switch Tesco
It's a
Mobile.
bouncy castle.
End 7th of September. Covcon
Yeah.
36-month credit agreement required. 18
Let's
plus
go
only.
there
Connect
because
once with only £1
I
spent.
want to go to the bouncy castle. Let's
So
go.
we're going there.
Oh, mommy, I want to go there.
Fun day. Okay, we'll go.
Alright, so I'm back on flight radar. So the plane I captured today, I don't know what it was, but I think it was where is it? Where is it? Oh, right there. I think it was this one. BAC 167. Alright. Look at this. This quickly. Oh wait. Alright. Alright. Wait, the grayish color, it might make it. I think I captured this. Huh? Oh, so I captured that plane. Alright. Oops.